Hello everyone.
My name is Amber. This is my teammate. Ziri, Nikki, Datio, Cindy, Avina, and me. Today I will show you how to make lemonade. First, we need little water, some sugar, 3 limes, a cup, and a spoon.
Step 1, I will cut the lemon and squeeze the lemon to get the juice. Step 2, we add a little sugar. Next step, we use a spoon, stir well. Do you want to drink lemonade? Finally, I add ice cup and decorate lemon slice to make it more attractive. Okay, so I will drink it. So it's so delicious and cool. Cheers!
That's the end of my video. Thanks for watching.
Bye.